What's going on, guys? Over the last couple months, I've gotten one question over and over and over again. And that is, why do you do it? Why are you still making YouTube videos, buying real estate, throwing retreats? What is the purpose? If you have all the passive income that you want and need to live the life that you want, why are you still doing all of these things? And if I'm honest with you, getting this question a lot has really thrown me into a little bit of torment. So I sat down and I tried to figure out why I'm doing what I'm doing, and today I'm going to share that with you. I want to start by answering the question with a song. I'm not going to sing it for you, but it is the Miley Cyrus or Hannah Montana. I don't know which one wrote it. Maybe neither of them. But the song "It's the Climb." And this has become very relevant to me in this point in my life because you never arrive. There's never this point where everything, you just have it and you're happy and you want to step back from any tension or progression or growth. That doesn't exist. The climb is the fun part. And being able to help people with that climb is the fun part. But even that isn't quite as fun as just doing it yourself. So that's the first major point. If you feel stuck and you want to arrive at some destination, I can promise you're never going to get there. Or I guess if you do, it's not going to be what you expect. And so for me, finding ways to add tension to my life, to add hard things, to force progression and growth and learning, that is very fulfilling. I think the other part that's tied to this is I have 6 kids, all of them 9 or younger. And I want to be a good example for them. And I want to teach them proper principles. And you can talk until you're blue in the face. But if your kids don't see you going and doing something, the odds of them ending up in a good place are not good. I want them to see me struggle. I want them to see me try at things. I want them to see me fail at things and succeed at things. And most importantly, I just want them to see me work hard and enjoy doing it. Those are some of the big reasons. One of the other reasons that has really hit home hard as I've been planning this upcoming retreat is the connection and making new relationships and new friendships. With these retreats, I limit them to 40 people, and each of those 40 people I get to know personally. I get to hear their story, understand where they're coming from, see what their goals are, and play a small part in helping them reach those goals and in helping them through the climb. Through this process, I have made so many close friends. Now, I know that seems a little crazy, but I think I am one of the biggest people to benefit from these retreats because it's helping me connect with other people that are like-minded, other people that have the same goals, the same interests, that are at similar places with their family or their business or whatever it may be. And that has been so fun. I got a text message a couple weeks ago from a guy named Josh Hare. He's come to 2 of my events, and since that, we've become really good friends. We text on a regular basis about cars and watches and real estate and family and life and all the things. And I got this text message of him closing a deal in McDonald's. Now, when I met Josh, he was still a really cool kid, and he was crushing it in business, but he had 0 rental properties. Now, a year and a half later, after coming to 2 of my retreats, he owns over 20 units of residential real estate, all of which are crushing it cash flowing. That gets me hyped. It's super cool to have played a small role in that, but more importantly, it's really cool that I have this friend, Josh, that now we connect on a regular basis. We meet up. He's hopefully coming out to Idaho in the next month or 2 so we can go drive cars and look at watches and have a good time. And so for me, being able to make new friends, new connections, new relationships is just what life is all about. I think I saw this Brad Pitt quote the other day. I'm probably going to butcher it. And I wish I was more handsome so that it sounded better. He was asked, is it the destination or is it the journey? And he said, neither. He said, it's the company. And I think that is so absurdly relevant. And don't get me wrong, I have phenomenal friends and connections and relationships. But pretty much all of those have come over shared interests, over shared goals, desires, all of those things. Being able to throw these events, being able to go and shop real estate, connect with other investors, making these videos, connecting with people around the world, all of those things have provided me with so many great connections. Anytime you have something great, it comes with hard things. There's a quote I also love, every light has a shadow. And putting my life out there on YouTube it causes stress and tension, and some really mean comments. Going and throwing these events, they are so stressful. I had to put $100,000 out to put this event together. And we are now at the point where we only have 3 spots left. So if you want to come and hang out with us, by all means, click the link down in the description. We'd love to fill these last 3 spots. However, before we had 3 spots left, we had 40 spots left, and I had spent probably $70,000 or $80,000 of that $100,000 locking up venues and events and all of the things, housing, that go into making these events incredible. And that was really stressful. $100,000 is still $100,000. And I appreciate that. I was very tormented for a window where I'm like, man, why do I do this? But I do it for all of these benefits. And so every light has a shadow. There's always going to be struggle, and that's the fun part. And if you don't make it, it'll find you. And I love making it in a way that I can get the benefits that I want, which is showing up for my family so they can see that, see my example, see my work ethic, being able to connect with other people, make awesome relationships, progress, grow, become a better speaker, become a better friend, become a better person in general. And so that's why I do these events. That's why I buy real estate. That's why I make YouTube videos. And for those of you that are working hard thinking, hey, I just want to get to this destination and I want to be done, I promise you, you're going to be disappointed. And I think what you should take home from that is right now, at the point you're at in your journey, that is the best part. Right now is the best part. And so do everything you can to make it the best part. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, because I'm going to be coming back with more videos because I love doing this. And hopefully the videos continue to get better and better as I learn along the way. We've got lots of cool real estate projects coming up that I'm super excited about. But for the next 2 weeks, 100% of my focus is going into making this retreat phenomenal. We have so many cool experiences. We're going to be racing exotic cars. We are going to be golfing. We're going to be eating great food. We're going to be doing so many different fun, cool experiences. But most importantly, we're going to be making some connections that I believe will impact everyone's life there for now until forever. These connections are so phenomenal. They bring more deals, they bring more financial upside, but most importantly, they bring relationships that you can learn and grow and progress together. And that's the important part, is the company. So thanks so much and have a great day.